Right there, as you can see, I have some spinach. So that's the spinach we have in the blender. Alright. So I'm gonna put another handful. So I'm using 2 handfuls of spinach inside of the blender. Alright. That is lovely. Yeah, 2 handfuls of spinach. Alright. Yeah, 2 handfuls. So let's get some more ingredients. Alright, we got some. I got some fantastic blueberry. What's gonna make the difference? Alright. As I say, if you want to do the collaboration with Chef Ricardo, go over to my Instagram and start to follow me. Put some blueberry. Alright, into it. Just like this. You see those blueberry? Look at this. This is very good for you. So right now I'm gonna eat this one. That is really nice. Get a finger of ripe banana. Alright, just like this. Remove the skin from the banana. Do you know how to peel banana, guys? Alright, then break it off like this. Bits by bits. Don't be shy. Alright. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Right there. Alright, now. These are just like natural in stuff, alright? What I'm gonna be using. Very, very delicious, guys. 100%. Alright, now I got some strawberry, which I'm gonna use up. Alright. I like my strawberry, man. Yeah. I like my strawberry, alright, guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some strawberry in it like this. Alright, that's the strawberry right there. Just like this. You need to get some strawberry in it. That is lovely and nice. Alright, beautiful one. So that look nice. One of strawberry and banana and all them thing there. Alright, that looking good. 100%. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo cooking this morning. Alright. Yeah, that is lovely. Now the secret behind it, what we're going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of a cinnamon powder inside of it. Alright, yeah, cinnamon powder is very good for you. Alright, I would encourage you guys, if you can get some cinnamon, get it and use your cinnamon powder at home. Alright. Yeah, we got a little bit of oats, which we're gonna put a little bit of oats inside of it. Alright, we're not gonna be using a lot. Roughly about, let me see, a tablespoon of oats in it. Just a tablespoon of oats. Alright, yeah, that looking good. Yeah man, that looking good. Fantastic and amazing. Yeah, that looking fantastic, guys. Let's get some water. Water, we need some water, innit? Yeah man, it's looking really good. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some water in it like this. Just a little bit of water. You're not gonna be using too much water. Also, if you want, you can put a teaspoon of organic honey in it. And what you wanna do, you wanna blend this for 2 to 3 minutes. You can use some coconut milk in it. or you can use some almond milk if you want, but keep it just simple like this. Let's blend this one. Alright, that was a very long blend. Alright, trust me. Now, here it is. Alright, and this is the way it look. Alright, very lovely and nice. You might have said to yourself, oh, the color looks so. Remember, we use some blueberry in it, we use some strawberry and all these things. Alright, so it's gonna give you a totally different color. The blueberry will give it a different kind of color. Alright, guys, so right there, that's exactly what I am talking about. Alright, it's a beautiful drink, fantastic and an amazing, and I hope you guys will love this one. Alright, it's just one of those kind of drink which you say to yourself, if you want to do something at home, you know what I mean, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Beautiful drink, and I hope you guys will like the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and share some love and all them thing there. Alright, big up yourself, Jamaica Recipe Queen. All of love and respect. Thank you so much for coming on the show. And as I said, this is fantastic one this morning from Chef Ricardo. Whole heap of vitamin in that one, guys. Alright, so if you're at home and you feel like you want to do something different, then this come in really, really handy for you. Alright, so as I said, if you want to do a collaboration with Chef Ricardo, please reach out to me on my Instagram and follow me on my Instagram page, hashtag Chef Ricardo Cooking, and we can definitely do something over there. Alright, guys, as I said, beautiful one, and then you know what I mean, we have so many more recipe will be coming for you guys. Alright, 100%. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas we'll be sharing with you. Alright, so if you're in the kitchen this morning and you feel bored, this is something you can make.